Yo guys, what's going on? If you're looking for movies, TV shows, sports, some live TV on your Amazon Fire TV stick, you can download a bunch of apps that may not be available on your Fire TV stick. First thing, go to the search icon, type in downloader. This is an application which gives us the ability to sideload applications that aren't available on the Fire TV stick. We can just type in down and downloader comes right up. Once downloader is up, click on the little orange symbol there that says downloader. It says I already own it, so yours may say just get it, download it. Download it, throws it into the queue real quick and downloads the application for us. Installs the application, and we can go back to the home screen because we do not want to open it quite yet. Once you're back to the home screen, head over to the little gear icon for settings and down under My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options listed here, click on About. Under Fire TV Stick, click the select button about 7 times and then it finally say no need, you're already a developer. We can go back to developer options. Under ADB debugging, turn it on. Under install unknown apps, click on it, and under downloader, turn it on. This gives us downloader the ability to install these apps. Okay guys, back here at the home screen, we're going to now download a VPN which will help protect us and keep our online activity secure. I would suggest typing in Surfshark VPN. We can click on that. And there's Surfshark. I already have it installed. To make this quick, use the link below or hit this QR code and this will give you the ability to install it on your phone, on your computer, wherever. Install it there first, log in, create an account and log in. And then when you come back here, you can use those credentials to turn on Surfshark and open it up. Once Surfshark is opened, I already have it pre-select here for favorite. Find a local location for you. Click on it. And there. Now I'm in Buffalo. Alright. Let's go back to the home screen and let's find downloader. So down in your apps and games, the little 3 squares plus sign icon, we can go find downloader. And we can use the little 3-line button on your remote or the hamburger button and move that to the front because this is going to be our new store to find these applications. So as you can tell, when we go back to the home screen, downloader is there now as a shortcut to the front. So let's click on downloader and I am going to allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on my device as it needs these permissions. And here's a quick start guide we can read through. And then in the URL here, we're going to type in a quick little shortcut. Instead of, you can type in ledbytheunknown.com or you can type in 546835. This little shortcut will link us to the Led by the Unknown website, which will have all these great applications for you to feel free to download onto your Fire Stick. After this 5-second redirect, once the page is loaded, click on your 3-line button again on your remote and add page to the favorites, and then we don't have to type in and wait for the 5 seconds anymore. So once we're here on the main screen of the Led by the Unknown website, we can come down to downloads. And this is the web page that will have all these available apps for your Fire Stick. So if you come down here, got some details, we got some videos for you to watch. And guys, pull out your phone, take a picture of this QR code, download yourself your VPN, get a good discount on it. So guys, this is going to be just a quick demo on what we can download. So let's try here under the movies, TV shows. We can try an application called Pluto TV. This is a free app for free movies and TV shows. Some live TV at that also. Don't forget, check out the other ones that are available. It's going to come down to let us install. Once Pluto TV is installed, we click done. And then we can delete the APK file because we no longer need it that we downloaded from the webpage. I'll remember also, if you want some amazing sports, this app is not free, but there's the DAZN or ESPN app, which automatically download, install, create an account, log in, and get all the prime time sports you want. Or of course there's other apps on here. As you can tell, we can install again. Once it's done installing, click done. We can hit delete and delete the APK file that we downloaded. We no longer need it as it's installed. Now let's go back to the home screen here quick and let's see what we downloaded. So if you go back to your apps and games icon, the 3 squares and a plus sign. Now we have Pluto TV and DAZN, DAZN. And we can again use the 3-line button on our remote. And here it says move to the front. We can do the same with the sports app. Move to the front. And there you go, folks. We got in under a few minutes apps on our Fire Stick. Let's click on Pluto TV. The initial time you open it takes a couple of moments. But as you can tell, we got live TV, free movies and TV shows. We can activate it if we want, but that's up to you. Right now I'm just giving you demos here on how to install these apps on your Fire Stick. If you can't find something that you need in here, that's okay. There's a bunch more available on the downloader page. Peace. Take it easy. Hope you like this video. Put a thumbs up. Subscribe. Helps out with the algorithm, right? All right. Take it easy.